Hi guys, Eric again. So this video, I would like to show you the TREM system that we have. Currently, if you were to log in, there are certain security roles that is set for viewing specific profiles and all that itself. But for those who are doing help desk, you're able to check the profile over here. Now, the reason being is that I'm not sure certain of you can actually do the reports, right? Say, for instance, now we have already gone through the service request listing, how you create a case, right? And how do you assign the case using this. Hang on. Right. Okay. So if I would like to see or search for today's cases, right? The status that is under assigned, or let's go back to this view, right? When I want to search for any of the station that is under assigned, follow up, or close, to view specifics based on the dates that we actually select from here. Say for instance, I would like to see today all the assigned cases, all right, for Petronas. Okay, I could just search this way and all will appear. Right now, as I said, you see, as this case is concerned, it's still open. That means the supervisor has not assigned the job to the technician, right? And if I were to look at, say for instance, I want to look at the state. So I want to see Johor and how many assigned cases there are in Johor for today. And there you go, it will appear here. And if I want to see the specifics of the case itself, right, I would click into it. Okay, the case number, the fault reported, SCP no delivery. I was the one who created this, right? And say for instance, I would like to look at BP or Caltex, right? BHP, I would look at this, okay? And you can see there's one, not assigned yet, two, okay? And Caltex. So these are the cases that you see today, right? From this itself, to use the profile is also a simple thing. You just have to select the oil company, right? And make sure the status are open. For instance, I want to look for KLIA, right? And I search. So there are a few stations here, right? One thing to recognize is also, if you see that it's not written in such a way there is a tiering at the station name itself, that means it is currently a tier 1 station, and we are not handling tier 1 stations. We are actually handling tier 2 and tier 3 stations. All right, how you will see those that are under our station, let's say we go for Wawasan, right? And you can see that this, the bunting, right, without the post ID, which is the RYJ. So these are stations that you do not assign to any of our technicians now, because it could be a tier 1 station, it could be a station that no longer existing, or it could be a station that has been replaced on the naming convention itself, or the station names itself rather. Okay, So when you have views as of the station name as Taman Wawasan, right, tier 3, W means is Wayne Palms. When you see GIL, that means is Jibaco Palms, right? And if it's under warranty, you will see that it's warranty here, right? It will be stated as UW, under warranty, at until the day it expires. This is the date that it's expired. Okay, so that at least we know that the station is under warranty. Very soon, we know no longer, once if Simple is ready, we will not be using this anymore, slowly phasing it out. And a lot of information will be transferred to Simple to use, all right, into our Simple system. If you want to look at reports for now, for instance, I would look at, say, in this month, right? And until the 19th, or maybe I take a further month, last month, October, and I want to look at the parts that has been used. Sorry, it just bounced back. October 1st, right? And then today, status, you can specify the things that you want to see, like I want to look at, in fact, actually, you know what, it's best to export to Excel. Let's give a couple of minutes. There are quite some number of data here. All right, now if you were to open the Excel itself, right, and I want to look at, first put the filter view, okay, and if you want to search for technicians, you could actually drill down which technician you want to see, what are the items that he has taken, right, and equipment, right, the equipment itself. This is the stock code itself, right? And then you can see the item that is used, or what kind of item is there that he has actually taken. So if I want to see, let's say, how many that he has taken, so what I would want to do is to search by, let's say, 300. Let's see if it appears, right? So when I look at, all right, so how many, let's click off that one, and I want to see how many Anchor 300, two host diesel stickers he has taken so far, right, and who has taken it. So Mr. Kong has taken 12. Wait, here is 13. Right, let me smaller the thing. Right, you can also search through parts number, which is the same, I think. Yeah, it's shorter ones. So if I, right, so it's taken by Aleph, but then there is, it's not used and it's returned. Okay, and this is part of how you see and check all the stickers that they have taken. By right, once the DO that has been done on the write-off in TREMs itself, which is here, right? When you do a write-off after the fix is done, all right, it will update it as how many has been used, all right, and how many that is not used, or or normally not used will not be appearing, but the quantity returned will appear, how many has been returned, right? Quantity used will also see for this stock code 68217 how many units has been used and so forth, right? That's about it for TREMs. I normally don't save it. If you go back over here, sorry, what else do you need to see? Okay, to knock off any DO itself, what the admin downstairs, when they receive the SMR, what they do is that they will actually update over here, right? And based on the request that there is, follow up, close. Say for instance, I want to see September, okay, September 20th to today. Let's see whether I can do this. So if you were to look at those that are close, right? I'm not sure whether I can see it there. Right. As long as you can see the job information here, right? This part has been filled up with the SMR number. That means it has already been updated on the items that the mechanic has used. So if there is any change of materials, it will appear here. So it looks like if for this case, there was no materials used because they only repaired the nozzle, right? So if, let's say we go back again and search, let's see for another case. In Sunny, no, PM first cycle, no. Translation stock, no delivery, no CPM, but from premix, okay. And let's look at this, right? And this is the same case just now, sorry. Tying inflator, nozzle booth. Let's check this one. Okay, check and replace one piece of OPW breakaway. So how do you see whether they have actually used any materials, right? You could actually click on that and whoa. Oops. All right. Where is that adjustment? It was this one, 92, I think. And if I look at the ISM, no, job memo, no, nope, back. Okay. That's odd. So now we know that it is not recorded. Mazatlan. So we do have cases like that where they are not recorded on materials used. That's why it's not reflecting. Okay, these are things that we have to advise the admin to make sure that they do it. Okay, I'm going to end the video here and I will show other things later. Yeah, thank you.